Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut PC when it's offline. So you can only use like a few things when it's offline. You can use keyframes here to zoom in and zoom out. You can also use the uniform scale. You can adjust the transformation tab here. You can also use the blend mode as well here. I'll just use one from stock materials. Obviously you can't use stock materials because you won't have like any connection to add that on, but you can definitely still use the like blend modes that they have here. You can't use these ones. You can use the speed option here, so I'll just show you. You can make it a little bit faster. And then the last thing you can use is the adjustments tab, but the rest unfortunately you can't use when you're offline. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.